I asked people on Instagram and on Facebook why they want to start working from home. And 90% of them actually said that they want to be able to take care of the kids while working, while earning more. And I just want to be able to address this real quick before lahat ng tao, eto na yung expectations. Hi, my name is Mary. I post easy to follow daily tasks that you can do to start your freelancing journey. Everyday nagpo-post ako ng mga bagong videos na pwede ninyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, gusto nyo na mag-work from home, naghahanap kayo ng side hustle na nasa bahay lang kayo gamit ang internet at ang inyong computer. I want to make sure that everyone is aware that working from home does not necessarily mean you'd be able to fully take care of your kids or malaki ang sahod. Kasi there will be times na hindi naman kasi pwede yung kagaya nung finiflex nung iba na kumikita ako ng pera habang hawak ko yung anak ko. Kasi in reality, kahit na sa bahay ka nag-work, kahit na ina-outsource sa'yo nung client yung trabaho at pwede mong gawin ng nasa computer ka, hindi pwede na palagi mong karga yung anak mo habang nagko-calls ka. Hindi pwede na pagpasok mo sa freelancing, automatic, malaki na kagad yung sahod. I want to be able to address yung maliit na gap from working corporate tapos freelancer. Meron dong gap. I would say, I call it mga 2 to 3 years of experience na makikita mo yung lahat ng hirap at pagod at yung pinakang masasakit at masasamang part ng bago ka makatransition fully to freelancing. Now, I know a lot of you guys would disagree when I say na hindi okay na hawak mo yung anak mo habang nagtatrabaho ka, especially if calls yung work mo. Pero guys, the clients hired us because they believe in our capabilities na kaya nating gawin, gampanan yung trabaho na they hired us for. Working from home means working. Hindi ibig sabihin na nasa bahay kayo, pwede na yung anytime maabalahin kayo ng mga kids nyo. You have to be able to set proper expectations with the kids na kapag nag-work ang mama or ang papa, hindi pwede na kukuhit-kuhit sila or hindi pwede na buhat nyo sila. So you have to determine that the best time for you to be able to work without having to worry about house chores, kids, and all that. Sana makatulong. Anyway, comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for my work from home chismis. Bye!